Hello and welcome to Berthon on this bright sunny afternoon. Today I will be showing you over Bob the 28 Ghibli Windy. Powered by a pair of D3s on stern drives, here you can see the trim tabs and the leg drives fitted with dual stainless steel props. As we step onto the teak laid bathing platform, you will find the bathing ladder hidden away nicely. Looking back on the boat, you will find a white and blue striped Sunbrella upholstery sun pad with a sliding backrest to create an L-shaped seating area. Moving forward to starboard, you will find a wooden trim cup holder. Underneath here you will find a deck shower. Moving forwards, you will find more teak laid in the cockpit that was re-chalked and varnished and sanded back in 2017. Here we have the helm position. Fitted with a Raymarine A65 plotter, a Raymarine tri-data depth and speed, and a Simrad RD68 VHF. You will also find a set of Bennett trim tab controls, a Fusion sound system with Bluetooth controls, and an upgraded Alpine speaker system. As you can see, the whole cockpit layout is finished in a really nice dark blue Sunbrella upholstery with a white stitching. Looking out, you will find a great 360 vision view for when mooring and getting into tight spaces. Under here you will find a very neat hidden away chest fridge for all cold beverages. Another companion slip up seat, great for when going along. Hidden underneath this lovely teak step, you will find the switches for both the engines and the domestic. Under here you will find more storage lockers. Moving forward, you are greeted by 3 lovely teak steps leading up to the foredeck, where you will find a further bathing area fitted with a double sun pad. Moving further afield, you will find a windlass Lumar anchor system with a separate chain locker to starboard and windlass switches to port. Here we are greeted with a V-shaped seating area and dining table. This can be converted into a double berth if needs be. Over to port, we have a ceramic diesel powered hob and a sink with a separate mixer tap. Above, finished in high gloss woodwork, we have cupboards, storage areas for cutlery, glassware and crockery. Lots of natural light coming in. Over to starboard, we are greeted by a separate day heads and a separate Jabsco heads with a manual flush. Here we have more cupboard space for toiletries and a separate sink with cold only tap. Thank you for watching, and please do not hesitate to contact the motor team to organise a viewing.